Hello my dear foodies, welcome to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Today's recipe is Eggless mini choco lava bombs. It just takes 10 minutes to prepare. These are very simple and easy to make. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe. First, we'll prepare the chocolate lava. For this, we need 100 grams of dark chocolate compound. To this, add half cup of hot milk and mix all together till the chocolate melts. Now, keep this in refrigerator for few minutes. Take a bowl, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is maida, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, half cup powdered sugar, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now sieve all these ingredients. And mix them all together. Add half cup oil, half cup milk and prepare the batter. Now the batter is ready. Take a pie pan and grease them with oil. Add the batter about 1 tablespoon. Now place the choco lava and press it inside the batter. The chocolate lava should be covered by the batter. Once done, place the appe pan on the stove and keep the flame low for about 5 minutes. Then flip them to the other side for another 5 minutes. Cover and cook. Choco lava bombs are ready now. Enjoy these hot and tasty mini choco lava bombs prepared in appe pan in just 10 minutes with your family and friends and have a sweet and chocolicious life. Don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Afreen's Tasty Kitchen. Okay then, see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a happy weekend.